Hello children, a warm welcome to you all. Hope you are doing good. In previous session we saw a quick recap about chapter 2, that is number up to 1000. We saw writing numerals, writing number names, place value, face value, expanded form, standard form, that is short form, and predecessor, successor and in between numbers. Predecessor means before number, successor means after number. In this session, we are going to see the continuation of the chapter 2, that is numbers up to 1000. Come, let us go into today's session. Write the numerals in the descending order. What is descending order? Descending order means writing numbers from the greatest number to the smallest number. Like explained in previous video, like mentioned earlier, let us have D for dinosaur. How does dinosaur look? Dinosaur look very large. So let us write the numbers from the greatest number to the smallest number. Here we have few numbers. We have to arrange these numbers in the descending order, that is from the greatest number to the smallest number. Here we have 589, that is 589, 599, 376, 288, 470. So among these numbers you have to find the greatest number first. So if you see the play numbers in the hundreds place, we have 5, 5, 3, 2 and 4. So here we have 2, 5. Among these numbers, 5 is the greatest number in the hundreds place. So let us take these two 5. Let us see the numbers in the tens place. That is, here we have 8 in 589. Here we have 9 in 599. So we can consider that 599 is the greatest number. So let us mark it as 1. After 599 we have 589. So let us write it as 2. Then after 5 next greatest number is 470. So let us mark this as 3. After 4, which is the next smallest number, that is 3. 376. Let us mark it as 376. After 376 you have 288, which is the remaining one. So let us mark it as 5. So while writing the descending order, you have to write the greatest number first, which is 599. Next we have 589. After 589 we have 470. After 470 we have 376. After 376 we have 288. So in descending order, you have to write the numbers from the greatest number to the smallest number. Come, let us do another sum in the descending order. Here we have different numbers. So we have to see the numbers in the hundreds place. In 249 we have 2. In 389 we have 3. In 264 we have 2. In 458 we have 4. 199 we have 1. So among these number, which has the greatest number in the hundreds place? Yes, it is 458. So let us write 1. After that, which has the next greatest number? It is 3. So let us write 389 as the next greatest number. Then after 389, which is the greatest number in hundreds place? It is 2. But we have two numbers which has 2 in hundreds place. One is 246, another one is 264. Then what we should do? In 246 in tens place we have 4. In 264 in tens place we have 6. So while comparing 6 and 4, 6 is the greatest. So let us write 264 as the next greatest number. After that we have 246, which makes it is fourth place. Then remaining one is 199. Let us write it as the fifth place, which is smallest number among these. So descending order means writing the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. So among these number, first we have is 458. After 458 we have 389. After 389 we have 264. After 264 we have 246. Then after 246 we have 199. So descending order, you have to remember D for dinosaur. Dinosaur is very big and you have to write the numbers from the greatest number to the smallest number. Next we have another descending order sum. Come, let us do it. 477, 733, 177, 277, 788. Here we have the numbers for the numbers to be arranged. Here we have the numbers to be arranged in the descending order, that is greatest number to the smallest number. So let us see the numbers in the hundreds place. In 477 we have 4. In 733 we have 7. In 177 we have 1. In 277 we have 2. In 788 we have 7. So among these, which has the greatest number in hundreds place? That is 733 and 788. But these two numbers have same numbers in the hundreds place. Then we have to look the number in the tens place. Here we have 3 and here we have 8. So which makes 788 as the greatest number. Then you can write as 733 as the next smallest number. After 733 you have 4, you have 1 and you have 2 in the 100 places. So 477 becomes the third number to be written. Next number is 477. After 477 we have 277 in fourth place. After 277 we have 177 in the fifth place. So in descending order, as I said earlier, it is that writing greatest number at the first and smallest number at the last. So first we have 788. After 788 we have 733. After 733 we have 477. After 477 we have 277. After 277 we have 177. So descending order means writing numbers from the greatest number to the smallest number. Next, write the numerals in the ascending order. Ascending order means writing the numbers from the smallest number to the greatest number, which means in ascending order we have A. A means ant is very small, so you have to start writing numbers from the smallest number to the greatest number. Here we have 295, 734, 743, 427 and 345. So here we have to pick the smallest number first. So in 100 place we have 2. In hundreds place we have 2 in 295, 7 in 734, 7 again in 743, 4 in 427, 3 in 445. So among these number we can say that 295 is the smallest number. After 295 we can take it as 345 as the next smallest number. After 345 we have 427 as the next smallest number. Then after 427 we have two numbers which has hundreds in the two numbers which has 7 in the 100 place. Then we have to see the numbers in the tens place. Here we have 3 and here we have 4. We have to take number which is small. So 734 is the next smallest number and 743 is the greatest number. So ascending order means writing numbers from the smallest number to the biggest number. Come, let us write it. First we have 295, then we have 345. After 345 we have 427. After 427 we have 734. After 734 we have 743. 43. So ascending order means writing numbers from the smallest number to the greatest number. Another sum in ascending order. So here we have the numbers 193, 736, 281, 350 and 876. So we have to write the numbers from the smallest number to the greatest number. Let us see the numbers in the hundreds place. In hundreds place we have 1 in 193, 7 in 736, 2 in 281, 3 in 350, 8 in 876. So when you see these numbers, we can say that 193 is the smallest number. After that, we have 281. After 281, we have 350. After 350, we have 736. After 736, we have 876. So, we have arranged the numbers from the smallest number to the greatest number. Come, let us write it. The first number is 193. Then we have 281. After 281, we have 350. After 350, we have 736. After 736, 876 is the greatest number among these. So we have started with the small number and ended with the greatest number. Let us do another sum in the ascending order. So we have 375, 453, 876, 906 and 210. So we have to see the numbers in the hundreds place. So in 375 we have 3, 453 we have 4, 876 we have 8, 906 we have 9 and 210 we have 2. So among these numbers you have to write the smallest number at first. So among these numbers, if you see which is the smallest number in the hundreds place, it is 210 because it has 2 in the hundreds place. Let us write it as 1. Then after that we have 375 as the next smallest number. After 375 we have 4 in hundreds place which is 453. We can write it as 3. After 453 we have 876 and 906. When you compare these two numbers, 8 is the smallest number and 906 is the greatest number. So we'll write 876 in fourth place and 906 in the fifth place. So while writing it again, you have to see the numbers on the top and write it properly according to the ascending order, which means smallest number to the greatest number. First we have 210. Then we have 375. After that we have 453. Then we have 876. At last we have 906. Ascending order means writing the numbers from the smallest number to the biggest number. So we have seen descending order and ascending order. Next we are going to see the forming greatest and smallest 3-digit number by using the given numbers. So they would have given you a numbers, that is separate numbers. By having those numbers you have to form 3-digit smallest and 3-digit greatest by having only those numbers. So at first we have 3, 6, 5. So 3 is separate number, 6 is separate number and 5 is separate number. So by having this 3, 6 and 5, you have to arrange them and make it one smallest number and form another one as the greatest number by using only this 3, 6 and 5. So by this number, smallest number can be formed as 356. So 356 is the smallest number and greatest number is 653. Here you have written the smallest numbers, you have written the numbers in the ascending order, that is 3 is the smallest, next we have 5, and next we have 6. In greatest number, you have written the numbers in the descending order, that is from the greatest number to the smallest number, that is 6, 5, 3, which makes it as 653. So next we have 0 to 4. They have given you 0 to 4. By having these three numbers, you have to form the smallest 3-digit number and greatest 3-digit number. When I'm saying 3-digit, it means that you have to form 3-digit, because if you put 0 in the first place and form the number in the smallest number, it becomes wrong, because when you put 0 in the first place, the 0 doesn't have value, and just 24 it becomes as 2-digit number. So when you get 0, you have to place the 0 in the second place, that is next to the next smallest number. So here we have 0, 2 and 4. So after 0, 2 is the next smallest number. So we have placed the next smallest number in the first place and 0 in the second place, so that it becomes as the 3-digit. So smallest 3-digit number is 204, that is 204, and the greatest 3-digit number is 420, that is 420. So whenever you get 0, you should not put the 0 in the first place in the smallest number. You have to put the number in the second place, so that it becomes as the 3-digit number. The next number we have is 9, 6 and 7. We have 9, 6, 7. By having these numbers, you have to form the greatest 3-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. So first is smallest 3-digit number. We have 679 as the smallest 3-digit number and 976 as the greatest 3-digit number. Here if you see 679, it has been written in the ascending order, that is from the smallest to the greatest, and 976 it has written in the descending order, that is from the greatest number to the smallest number. So while forming 3-digit number, and if you get 0, please put the 0 in the second place and do not put the 0 in the first place, because if you put the 0 in the first place, it makes the number as the 2-digit number, because 0 doesn't have any value. The next topic we have is compare the following numbers. Here you have to compare the numbers and write the symbols, that is greater than, lesser than and equal to symbol. We have 434, 345. When you see these two numbers, you have to see the numbers from the hundreds place. Here we have 4 in hundreds place and here we have 3 in the hundreds place, which obviously makes it as that 434 as the greatest number. So we have to put 434 is greater than the 345. So this is the greater symbol. Next we have 987 and 997. So when you are comparing the numbers, see the numbers in the hundreds place. In hundreds place, in the both numbers we have same number. Then you have to see the numbers in the next place, that is in the tens place. In tens place we have 8 here. In tens place here we have 9, which makes that 987 is lesser than the 997. So you have to see the numbers in the hundreds place first, then you have to see the numbers in the tens place if the numbers in the hundreds place are same. Next we have 103 and here also we have 103, which means that both the numbers are same. So you have to put equal symbol. So comparing numbers is you have to compare two numbers and put the symbols, that is greater than symbol or lesser than symbol, or if the numbers are same you have to put equal to symbol. So in this session we have seen ascending order, descending order, comparing numbers, forming greatest and smallest 3-digit numbers. In next session we will be seeing odd number and even number, patterns in number, ordinal numbers, then statement sums. Until then, stay home, stay safe and take care. Thank you children.